Welcome back to DC Auto Enhancement. Today I want to go ahead and show you a new project that I have. It's a 1999 Honda Civic. So I have a short list of things to do on this car. Today we're going to be tackling the upper control arms, both the left and the right. In order to remove this control arm, we gotta get this cotter pin removed, get this castle nut off, separate the ball joint from the knuckle, and then we can take the bolts out that hold this in place. So that's what we're gonna go ahead and do now. Alright, so we're gonna start with getting this cotter pin, and I'm using a combination of pliers and an actual cotter pin extractor. Alright, we got the cotter pin out, and now take the castle nut off with the right size. So this is a 17 millimeter. So one thing I want to do, this is probably going to drop, the knuckle will probably drop once this is separated. So I'm going to go ahead and take this bracket off that holds the brake line so it doesn't put any stress on the brake line. Or actually I think this is a speed sensor. So I'm actually going to take the brake line loose. I don't know if you can see here, take the brake line loose and also the speed sensor.
Turn the dirt and work until break on Sunday, then do it all again, 'cause we're proud to be from God's country.
So there we go, control arm is free, and now we can go to the top side and pull the bolts out and get the old control arm out. One thing to note on this upper control arm here, I don't know if you can see right here, there's a little tab, and we're going to make sure that we use the control arm that has the tab on it. And on this particular one, on this particular control arm, it's labeled left. So like I said, I'll leave a description in the link below. I got this on Amazon. Alright, here we are on the top side, and right here is the bolt that we're going to be getting to. A bolt back here, and you can't hardly see it. Maybe I can get you down there with the camera, but there's a bolt right there. Alright, so this is a 14 millimeter. I think I'll break this loose with the ratchet and maybe grab a ratcheting screwdriver or a ratcheting wrench to get it off there. The what?
$3,200 car, they said the transmission's out because it's taken off in second gear. Worked on it. Plug in on it. I cleaned it out with a deep grip.
And why would I be buying one? Do what? Time to get this where we want it. So it looks like I'm going to be using the jack to come under the knuckle and lift it so that we can lift it onto the control arm. Castle nut on. And see what size that is. Hopefully it's the same. So if the cotter pin's not where you want it, I know I've already kind of cinched this down on the knuckle. I'm going to see if I can manipulate this. So we want this cotter pin to be at an angle where we can get to it. Alright. Try this again. Alright. Alright. We'll go ahead and get the wheel back on, and you can see there's no more movement. So that's good. I'm going to go ahead and reattach all of the accessories we got here.